Hi everyone, welcome to another video. It's Femi Lanier here, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can make $250 every week with the BYBIT P2P trading. Now, in case you don't know, P2P trading means peer-to-peer trading, and it is when you buy or sell crypto directly from another user on the BYBIT app. Now, this video is not to teach you how to actually buy or sell crypto with BYBIT P2P. I already have a video on that, so if you want to watch that, I'll put the link to that video in the description below. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you a campaign that is currently going on the BYBIT P2P platform that can allow you to make $250 every week. Before I go on to show you that, if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi Lanier and I make videos on personal finance, cryptocurrencies, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you. And also, if you don't have a BYBIT account yet, you can use my referral link in the description below. Use it to create an account on BYBIT and you'll be getting discounts on your trading fees. Right here, as you can see on the screen, I'm on the announcement page on the BYBIT platform, and this is the latest campaign for the P2P traders on BYBIT. Now, in case you don't know how I got to this announcement page, just go to your home page on BYBIT, and then you come to where you have this icon right here, and you will see where you have announcements right here. So once you tap on it, it take you to the BYBIT announcement page where I am. Now, as you can see on the screen, it says here, P2P advertisers, be the best and get up to 250 USDT each week. This means that you can get up to $250 every week with what I'm about to show you. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important information. Now, if you scroll down right here, you can see here from this week on, you will have the opportunity to participate in our weekly ranking activities and win up to 250 USDT in rewards. You will be ranked each week based on number of orders and trading volume for the following currencies. Now, if the fiat currency of your country is stated right here or is among the currencies that are listed right here, then it means that you can participate in this campaign and be among those that can make $250 every week. Now, for Nigerians right here, you can see you have NGN right here. This is NGN right here. So that means that Nigerians can also take part in this campaign. Now, the next thing you might want to ask me is that what is this all about, or what are the things I need to do to be part of this campaign? Now, what this is all about is that if you are a P2P advertiser on BYBIT and you are among the top 3 traders every week, you can make 250 USDT each week. Now, if you are not a P2P advertiser yet, just calm down. I will show you in this video how you can become a P2P advertiser on BYBIT and even how you can get verified. So make sure you watch this video to the end. There's a lot to learn from this video. Now, if you scroll down right here, the next thing you will see is the top 3 advertisers for each currency will receive rewards as follows. So right here, you can see the rank 1, 2, 3, that is the top 3, and then you can see the rewards are in USDT. So all the rewards are in USDT. Now, you can see that the rewards are based on weekly number of orders and they are based on weekly trading volume. Number of orders means that the number of orders you get each week. So for example, if you are getting like 10 orders, 20 orders, or 100 orders, so it depends on the number of orders you are getting every week. And also, trading volume means that the amount of currencies you are trading. So trading volume is different from number of orders. So let me show you what you are going to be getting. So let's say, for example, at the end of 1 week, you are the top trader based on weekly number of orders. You are going to be getting 100 USDT. If you are the second person, you'll be getting 70 USDT. And if you are the third person, you'll be getting 40 USDT. Also, let's say at the end of 1 week, you are the top P2P trader based on weekly trading volume. You're going to be getting 150 USDT, and the second person will get 100 USDT, and the third person will get 50 USDT. Now, you can see right here that you are able to receive rewards from both categories. That's a total of 250 USDT every week. So let's, for example, you are the top trader based on weekly number of orders, and you are also the top trader based on weekly trading volume. That means you can get 100 USDT and 150 USDT together, which makes it 250 USDT at the end of the week. Now, what are the conditions you must meet before you can participate in this campaign? Now, if you scroll down right here, you will see that to be eligible for these rankings, there are a few conditions that you must meet. Number 1 is that you must achieve a 30-day order completion rate of at least 95%. This means that in the last 30 days, you must have completed at least 95% of the orders you get. And the second one is you must trade with at least 10 unique users. This means that you must have traded with at least 10 different people. And the next thing is that you must reach minimum weekly completed trading volumes of $5,000. And the next one is only sell orders greater than 20 USDT will be included in this ranking. And then the next one is that you must be online for at least 50 hours each week. And average release coin time should not exceed 15 minutes. This means that you should be releasing coins at least 15 minutes after getting payment from the person that is buying from you. So these are the conditions you must meet in order to be among the top 3 every week. Now the next thing is, how do you become a P2P advertiser on BYBIT? Because before you can even be among the top 3, you must be a P2P advertiser already on BYBIT. So I'll be showing you, for those of you that don't know how to advertise your ads or your P2P ads on BYBIT, I'll be showing you right now. So you come right here to your BYBIT homepage right here. So I'm on the BYBIT homepage right here, and then you go to the P2P page. So to go to the P2P page, you come right here where you have buy crypto and select P2P trading right here. As you can see right here, I'm on the P2P page, and these are different ads that are being posted by different P2P advertisers on BYBIT. So how do you post your own right here? How do you post your own ad right here? What you need to do is just come here to where you have ads right here, and you click on post ads. Now it is the same process whether you're using your laptop or your phone. Just go to your P2P page, locate where you have ads right here, and click on post ads. And then it will bring you to this page right here where you can post your P2P ads. Now, before I show you how to enter all of the information you need to enter right here, there are some requirements you need to meet before you can post an ad right here. Now, the first requirement, as you can see on the screen, is to link your mobile number. So you must link your mobile number. And then the second thing is that you must link your email address. And then the third thing is that you must have done your ID verification. And then the fourth one is that you must have at least 100 USDT in your funding wallet. And then number 5 is that you must have done at least 5 buy orders within the last 30 days. I must have traded with at least 3 different people. So these are the simple conditions you need to meet to be able to post an ad right here. They are simple and you can do them straight away. So back to how to post your ads. Now the first thing you need to do right here is to pick whether you want to buy or you want to sell. So let's pick sell right here for this ad. And then the next thing is to pick the coin you want to sell. So let's, for example, we want to sell USDT. So pick USDT. And then next thing is which fiat currency are we receiving? So we want to receive NGN. So we want to sell USDT to get Naira in our bank account. So the next thing is to scroll down right here to where you can pick the price you want to sell your USDT. So there are 2 ways you can set your price. One is through a fixed price, and then another is through a floating price. Now, fixed price is when you put in the price at which you want to sell your own. You put in the price yourself. So it's not BYBIT that is fixing the price for you. You put in the price. So whether the market is moving up and down, it will still be at that fixed price. And you can even check out what other people are selling their USDT for so that you can know how much you can sell yours. So let me go to the P2P page. You can see right here under the buy, for example, I'm buying right here, but these people are selling. I hope you understand. These people that their ads are under buy, they're actually selling. So these people are selling their USDT at 752. Most of them are selling at 752, or some people are selling at 753. So let's, for example, you want to put your own at 752.5. So let me go back to the page where I'm posting my ads. And then you come right here and put in 752.5. So that's the price at which you want to sell your crypto or your USDT. That's one way to set your price, fixed price. And don't forget, for this, whether the market is moving up or down, the price will not change at all. So if USDT should move up or down, you will still sell your USDT at this price. Now, another way to set your price is through floating price. Now, for this, when the market is fluctuating or moving up or down, it will also reflect in the price at which you are selling your USDT. And I think I prefer this. Now, for this, you see that you have a reference price right here, which is 460.92 NGN per USDT. Now, how your price is calculated is, you can see floating price equal to reference price times premium. Now, what this premium means is that you put in a percentage right here that this reference price will be multiplied by to get your price. So, for example, I'm going to be putting a percentage that will multiply this 460 to give me maybe around 752.5 or 752.6. Now, I'm going to put in 100% right here to see what it's going to give me. So, if I'm picking 100%, it means that I'm selling at the reference price. 100% means 100 divided by 100. That's 1. So 1 times 460.92 we give you 460.92. I hope you get in mathematics. So if you are using, let's say for example, so if I want to increase it, I'm actually not selling at this price. I can't sell at this price. So let me increase it to 160 and see. So 160 will give us 737 naira. So that's low. I want to sell it at a higher price. Let me increase it to 165. 165 is giving us 760 naira. Don't forget, you can also see it right here. So I don't want to sell at 760 naira because that's too high. So let me bring it down to 163 and see what it's going to give me. So this is giving me 751 naira per USDT. But let me just put in, let me say 163.5. That's giving me 753 naira 60 kobo per USDT. So let's say for example, this is the price at which I want to sell my USDT. So anytime this reference price is moving up or down, it will also reflect in the price at which you are selling. So whatever this reference price is, it will be multiplied by 163.5 to get the price at which you want to sell your USDT. I hope you get that. Now, after you've done that, you scroll down and then you pick your transaction settings. So the first thing you pick is the payment duration. So I'll prefer you pick 15 minutes because that's quicker. And then the total USDT you want to sell. So let's, for example, I want to sell 500 USDT. I'll put in 500. And then the minimum transaction amount. What is the minimum amount you want to sell and the maximum amount you want to sell? So remember, we are dealing with NGN right here. That's Naira. So let's say the minimum I want to sell is 50,000 Naira worth of USDT. And then the maximum I want to sell, let's say 300,000. I hope I'm correct here, 300,000. Now, after you've done that, next is to scroll down again and enter requirements for counterparty. So let's, for example, you want to only trade with a set of people. You can do that right here. So just tap on add now, and then you can see the requirement that you can pick. So if you want to pick someone that has completed a particular number of orders in the last 30 days, you can pick this. So let's, for example, I want to pick someone that has only completed at least 10 orders in the last 30 days. I'll pick this right here and change this to 10. So that means that I can, anybody that has done at least 10 orders in the last 30 days, I can trade with that person. Or let's, for example, you want to trade with people that have linked their mobile number and email to their account. Then you can click this right here. So only people that have linked their mobile numbers and email to their BYBIT account can trade with you. So for this video, I'm not going to be picking any requirement. But if you want to pick a requirement right here, you can do that. And actually, this is better because if you are picking people that have completed a particular number of orders and they have a higher completion rate, and also maybe people that they've linked their mobile number and email, that will help you to know that you are trading with someone that is trusted, because you know that for the person to have done this amount of orders, then the person is trusted on BYBIT. So you can pick some requirements right here. So after you've done that, the next thing is to put in some notes. So if you want to put in some notes that you want the buyer to take note of, you can put that right there. And then the next thing is to pick your payment method. How do you want them to pay you if they want to buy from you? So you select manage payment method, and then right here you click on bank transfer. So for me, I've already put in my bank details right here. My bank details are here already. If yours is not there, then you see the space where you can input your bank account number, your name, and your bank name. So once you've done that, you tap on confirm, and then you come right here to the right side of the screen to see the summary of everything. So you see the price I'm selling my USDT at 753 naira 60 kobo, and the total amount of USDT I'm selling is 500 USDT, and the limit is between 50,000 naira to 300,000 naira. And then my payment method is bank transfer, and then you click this box right here, and then you come here and tap on post ads. Now, as you can see on the screen, my ad is live already, and you can see the summary of your ad right here. You can see the type, so you are selling, total quantity, limit, the price, the fee, the payment method, the time you posted it, and everything. Now, let's say, for example, you want to go offline and you don't want to take any orders, or maybe you want to get busy with something else and you don't want to take any orders on the BYBIT P2P page. Then you come here to where you have active mode right here and turn this off. Now, this means that nobody will be able to see your ad, and nobody will be able to send you any order to buy USDT from you. So this is a simple way for you to become an advertiser on the BYBIT P2P page. So if you have enough USDT that you want to sell or that you want to buy, then I advise that you post more ads right here and start getting orders. And also make sure that your price is not too high or too low so you can get enough orders. And don't forget, if you are the top trader at the end of each week based on weekly number of orders, you'll be getting 100 USDT. And if you are the top based on weekly trading volume, you'll be getting 150 USDT. And you can make up to $250 every week. Now, the next thing I'll be showing you in this video is how to become a verified P2P advertiser on BYBIT. Now, I'm very sure that you know that a lot of people like to trade with people that are verified on the P2P page because they feel like, oh, those people are the ones that are trusted and they can't run away with their money. So I will teach you how to become a verified P2P advertiser on BYBIT so you can get more orders and have more chance of being on this ranking. Now, to do that, you come again to where you have this ads again, and you see where you have verified advertisers. You click on it, and then it will bring you to the page that you can see on your screen where it says become a verified advertiser. Apply to become a verified advertiser to enjoy privileges and special benefits. Now, these are the 4 main advantages of being a verified advertiser. Number 1 is that you will get a verified badge. And a verified badge builds buyer trust and boosts your conversion rate. Now, the second advantage is that you have a higher place on the ad list. Now, in the case of 2 advertisements at the same price, the one posted by a verified advertiser will be displayed at a higher place on the advertisement list. That means that if you have 2 people that have the same price that want to sell USDT, if you are a verified advertiser, your own will be placed higher than the person who is not verified. I hope you get that. Now, the third benefit or advantage is that you have a personalized customer support. So you have personal one-on-one customer service that increases transaction efficiency. Now, the last one is green channel, which means that your appeals or relevant complaints will be prioritized. So these are the 4 main advantages of being a verified advertiser. Now, how do you become a verified advertiser? You only have 3 requirements, just 3 requirements. And these are the 3 requirements right here. Number 1 is that the total number of sale orders you completed in the last 30 days as an advertiser must be greater than 30. It must be greater or equal to 30. So in the last 30 days, you must have completed at least 30 sale orders. And the next thing is that the available balance in your funding account must be greater or equal to 500 USDT. This means that you must have at least 500 USDT in your funding account or funding wallet. And the last one is, if you were a verified advertiser, the days since your verified status was removed must be greater or equal to 7 days. So let's say, for example, you were verified before and maybe because you did something wrong or maybe because you didn't meet any of the requirements, it was removed. Then you can only reapply after at least 7 days. So if you meet all these 3 requirements, then you can go straight to request to become a verified advertiser. So these are the important things you need to know about this P2P campaign on BYBIT to earn up to 250 USDT every week as a P2P trader on BYBIT. Now, just make sure that you meet all the requirements I've talked about in this video. And if you don't understand any part of this video, I will advise that you watch it all over again. I've explained everything in a simple way that you can easily get. I will also put the link to this announcement in the description below. And also, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will be replying to every question and every comment that I get. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.